With 624, welcome back. It might sound like a dessert, but it's really a breakfast meal that you can make with your kids. Hy-vee dietitian Katie George and her son Colin walks our own Lauryn Bentley through the latest recipe.
Welcome back. We have another Quick Bites with Kids in the Kitchen this week, and we're with dietitian Katie George, and we've got Colin this week.
Yes, we do. So Colin is my son, who is 9 years old as well. If you have watched in the past, Jenna has been on with us, and they're twins, and they're going into 4th grade, and they love to cook, don't you? Always asking, can I help? Can I help? And I will take that.
Yes,
for sure.
Very lucky.
So when we are looking at recipes to create, and even some of our own favorite recipes, when we were deciding what we wanted to do on the show today, we just really wanted to play up on some of their favorites in general. So we are going to play up on some of Colin's favorite fruits. And what are some of your favorite fruits that we're going to be using?
Bananas, strawberries, and blueberries.
Bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. So specifically when they are in school, and of course in the summer as well, I am very adamant on a good, healthy breakfast. We're not a family that oftentimes does donuts and that type of thing, because I want to make sure that they are fueled for the day. They eat breakfast usually around 6:30 or 7, and they don't get lunch at school till 12:30, and so that's a long time for kids to eat, to go without eating. So I want to make sure that they are full and satisfied, and that includes having good, wholesome food. And so we're going to showcase a recipe today, and you're going to start peeling my banana for me. This is called our breakfast banana split. And so one of the things that just kids in general, they don't get enough fruit. So this is a great time to highlight all the fruit that you can incorporate into this recipe. So we're going to fully peel our banana, and we're going to use this right here as a cutting board. I can help you out here. Get all those white strings off that instantly make kids not like the banana.
I know,
right?
I even feel the same way.
I know,
so.
like, oh, get it off, get it off. All right, so then even I am very, I definitely advocate for using knives. And so what Colin is going to do, you're going to cut it in actually half if you want. Yep. And then this is going to be the hard part. Actually, I'm going to have you cut it all the way down lengthwise for me. So we're only going to use half a banana for this recipe, because this banana was enormous.
Yes.
So we're just going to use half of the banana. So breakfast banana split, the vessel of our breakfast is going to be the banana. And so we're going to take this, and we're just going to kind of pop it open, and we're going to set it in our bowl, and that is going to kind of be the vessel of our banana split. So we also have to prep our strawberries, and our strawberries, Colin's going to cut them for me. He knows exactly what to do. He's got that pointer finger on top. He's sawing back and forth so we don't cut ourselves. And you're going to cut those into just a little bit smaller pieces for me, and just back and forth with the teeth of that knife down. And you, going to move on to the next one. These strawberries are enormous too.
They are huge. You only need like 3.
The theme of today is enormous, enormous fruits.
After slicing up the strawberries, you add those plus blue or blackberries into the bowl with a tablespoon of strawberry jam and stir that to coat. Then add another spoonful or 2 of the berry mixture to the bottom before taking half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, putting that on top of the berries. Add remaining berries to the top of the yogurt and sprinkle with granola. We'll have the full recipe on our website, nebraska.tv.